YouTube. See it there? Man like God bless there wait for a piece of bread, you know?
A piece of food me there wait for.
Yeah. Pepe there.
Say something, Pepe. Say something, man.
Silver than there.
Yeah, man, don't go with there, sit down and go out with this, you know?
Sadiki there. I run up and down.
Up top boss.
Yeah.
And them man are going to pay the money.
Big water party. Keeping on the weekend, yeah. And the girl, them all are jive.
You know? The flowers, them surround with and thing, you know, I appreciate.
Yeah. And life, from have life, you know it already. Strawberry HQ with there, see it there?
Strawberry boss, yeah.
Yeah. And see Strawberry boss, yeah. Pepe. You know? Yeah, I link up Natty Pure across the road. See Natty Pure, yeah. Real Natty Congo. Man from over in a Philly there. Mr. G. You know? That's right there. At the YouTube with the pan.
You have to introduce me, man, for real.
You don't introduce me, I introduce you, Mr. G.
Yeah, but we have something I want to talk about just at the top of our head, you know.
Yeah, so just prepare.
I did to say, watch this, man. And God knows what me, you know. And the Governor General what me, you know. And the Queen business him up me, you know. That more make some people know, you know. When we ever start, though, to open up our business, if Africa, we have to deal with it as a joke thing with around here. With Governor General Weir.
Alright, so you hear that from Natty Pure himself. So look out for them video there, you know. We're there upon the black man, we're there upon the ends. I go and do the thing, you know. So, we're going to look out for them little video there where we are going to put out upon the thing, you know, the future to come. Because as spoilers were there. And from there spoilers, you know, say everything nice. Our place. Yeah, our place. Everything is natural around here. Beautiful ladies, the handsome males easing themselves on the block. So you know it already. Linkage and linkage of a be. And this right there. And we have the celebrity them on the ends too, you know, because see the African boss here, you know. The African boss there. Man like Ricky Trooper there. Elder Dennis there. Man like Statius there. So you know it go. See the African boss here. Talk to YouTube African boss.
Check. Who don't know the rule, who don't know the chalala thing right now, I'm there on the work, who don't know the knife and the fork and the kitchen thing. But there I get the thing built up, start the business. Who don't know the rule, lucky Denny. You know the thing we outside in the spoilers community, you don't know the chalala thing. And a knife and a fork and the kitchen thing. You know some road manager this, you know what I mean, chopper, move around. You see me this at Dennis business shop, so you know a Basin Street with the right now. Who don't know the rule. Lucky Denny. Check.
You know the thing already, you know. Just look out for the video them and know say a whole heap of joy and a whole heap of enjoyment. Cause you know the thing, them new poems to come and whole heap of new music and reasoning and some skits. So you know the thing already. African boss does talk tune and you know from African boss check in and a chadala thing and a knife and a fork and a kitchen thing. You know the rules already. Big up on yourself, hacking there, check in.